в албума една от моите най-любими пиеси. Надявам се и ваша, ако имате този албум. Ако не, след малко ще ви покажа откъде да си го вземете. Една от любимите мои пиеси, един дует, който направихме с невероятния Пепи Салчев. За съжаление, той не е в България в момента. Искаше да дойде, но аз му забраних, защото му казах, че не мога да му дам толкова хонорар голям, колкото получава там, където е. И така, надявам се да чуете този дует и да ви хареса. Сега ще ви представя Боби от една група, която, сетете се защо се казва така, 032, който направи невъзможното и научи този дует. А това всичкото, което виждате отпред, е текста на този дует. Ама не преувеличавам, вижте. Това, ако е песен, вижте какво става дума. С нощи до 1 часа подчертавах да ми подпи. Но тъй като тя е страхотна тема, ако някъде случайно аз бъркам някъде, защото освен всичко останало той си го е научил брилянтно, надявам се да ми простите. И така, Боби.
A stick, a stone is the end of the road, is the rest of the stone. It's a little alone, it's a sliver of glass. It is life, it's the sun, it's the night, it is that, it's a trap, it's a gun.
The oak when it blooms, a fox in the brush, the knot in the wood, the song of the thrush, the wood of the wind, a cliff, a fall, a scratch, a lump, it is nothing at all.
It's the wind blowing free, it's the end of the slope, it's a beam, it's a void, it's a hunch, it's a hope.
And the riverbank talks of the waters of March. It's the end of the strain, it's the joy in your heart.
The food, the ground,
The flesh in the bone,
the beat of the road,
a single shot
a
stone,
fish, a flash,
a silvery glow,
a fight, a bat.
the range of the bow, the bat of the well, the end of the line, dismay in the face, it's a loss, it's a fight.
A spear, a spike, a point, a nail, a drip, a drop. The end of the tale.
After a cloud of brick,
In the soft morning light,
the shot of a gun,
in the dead of the night,
a mile, a mast, a twist, a bump. It's a girl, it's a rain, it's a goal, it's a month.
the plan of the house, the body in bed, and the car that got stuck. It's the mud, it's the mud.
A flow,
A drift,
a fly,
a wing,
a huck,
a quail,
the promise of spring.
And the riverbank talks of the waters of March. It's the promise of life, it's the joy in your heart.
a snake,
A stick, it is joy,
it is joy
it's a turn,
in your hand,
and a cut.
on your toy.
A point, a grain, a blink, a bite, a blink, a buzzer. The sudden stroke of light.
A thing,
A needle,
a sting,
a pain,
a snail,
a riddle,
a wing.
a stain, a pass in the mountains, a horse, a moon. In the distance, the shelves roll through shadows of blue.
And the riverbank talks of the waters of March. It's the promise of life in your heart, in your heart.
A stick,
A stone,
the end of the load,
the rest of the stone,
a lonesome road,
a sliver of glass,
a light,
the sun,
a night,
a death.
the end of the run.
And the riverbank talks of the waters of March. It's the end of the strain, it's the joy in your heart.
And the riverbank talks of the waters of March. It's the end of all strain, it's the joy in your heart. And the riverbank talks of the waters of March. It's the end of the strain, it's the joy in your heart. Merci.
Боби.
Искам да ти благодаря за огромното щастие, което изпитам в момента, както на всички музиканти.
Ние ти
Благодаря ви много.
благодарим.